Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another talk of money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Ensure to subscribe and click the link in the description so that you can have our ebook and digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, whenever you're ready to start building the asset column with real assets that we control with our companies. Then let me show you how to do that inside of our ebook and digital course. Will give you all the details on wealth creation, what is money, the difference between an asset and a liability, the difference between good debt and bad debt, the business principles at work in all economies. Is going to give you a background on the cash flow circle, the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, and a total guide on getting our whole first digital product, digital business set up so that we can begin to receive passive income even while we're sleeping, right? Because if we're not doing that, then it's not a real asset. The asset makes us money whenever we're not working. Okay, yes, we have to put an effort at the beginning to put everything together, but once everything is set up, then that is supposed to bring us in passive income and capital gains income. Depends on the asset. So today we're going to talk about building a thriving digital business, essential steps for success. Today is March 6, 2024, mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Today's golden rule is good debtors are winners. Master how to use debt to become wealthy. Remember, we can use debt to make us very wealthy, or a person can use debt to make him very poor, right? There's nothing wrong with having liabilities as long as we have assets that are paying for those liabilities expenses, because every liability has an expense, has a cost. So we encourage everyone to always live above our means and expand our asset column so that we can continue to get more liabilities as we please, because there's nothing wrong with it. A lot of those liabilities may be things that we enjoy doing. Maybe it's a luxury item that we want to have in our lives. So we just need to figure out our lifestyle, the ideal scene that we want for our lives, and reverse engineer the cost of that entire lifestyle. And to make $1 million in positive cash flow, meaning our profit per year, we need to be making per day on profit $2,700 and plus dollars. And we will be able to reach $1 million. That's how you begin to create the road to $1 million on passive income. Okay? There's a difference in making that as your passive income and making that as your revenue. A lot of people, when they say they made $1 million, they're talking about the total revenue. But what is the positive cash flow of that business? What is the bottom line after everything is paid? How much does the individual keeps? That's the bottom line. That's what we look for. So to make $1 million as positive cash flow, we need to make $2,700 plus per day. When we break it down like that, then we can see that it's not a lot, because as long as we have systems in place, we can create that type of income, and there are high-ticket items that we can sell online, that we can begin to build a list of people that are interested in buying high-ticket items from us. And high-ticket items means that those products will pay a high commission for every sale that we bring into that company's sales page, right? And there are different companies that offer high-ticket items. So we're going to show you inside of our community where to go, how to find these partners, so that we can begin building our asset column. You can do it in many different ways. You can do it with your own products if you want to create your own products, digital products like ebooks, digital courses, PDFs, tutorials, recipes, and many more things that you can do with your talents. If you want to share a skill to other people and you want to organize it and sell it, you can monetize it. If you want to get started right away and you don't have any products, then you can partner with other people and do affiliate marketing or network marketing. And this is a great way to start building wealth, because number one, the hard part is done for us. The products are already created for us. The legalities are in order. They have an existing brand, and all we're doing is bringing in the right traffic to that sales page, to that link that we're going to grab from that company, which tracks our sales. So we can get started building our email list today. We can create a capture page. We can create a landing page to collect emails of people that are interested in buying a product that we're using from other people's catalog through a partnership that we create through an affiliate marketing program, okay? And there are many companies today that do that. Majority, in fact, of the companies, they want people to bring in more customers, and in exchange, they give a percentage. It's just a win-win for everybody. We always want to look for those types of partnerships, a win-win relationship. In today's interconnected world, the digital landscape offers boundless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to build thriving businesses, whether we are starting from scratch or looking to expand our existing venture into the online realm. Establishing a successful digital business requires careful planning, strategic execution, and relentless commitment to excellence. In this talk, we will explore the essential steps to help us build a thriving digital business from the ground up. Step number 1, define our business idea and goals. The foundation of any successful business venture is a clear and compelling business idea. Let's start by identifying a niche or market opportunity where we can offer unique value or solve a specific problem for our target audience. Define our business goals, including objectives such as revenue targets, market share, customer acquisition, and brand positioning. Having a clear vision will guide our strategic decisions and keep us focused as we navigate the complexities of building our digital business. Step number 2, conduct market research. Before diving headfirst into our digital business venture, it is crucial to conduct thorough market research to understand our target audience, competitors, industry trends, and market dynamics. Identify our ideal customers' demographics, preferences, pain points, and purchasing behavior to tailor our products or services to meet their needs effectively. Analyze our competitors' strengths, weaknesses, strategies, and offerings to identify gaps and opportunities we can capitalize on. Step number 3, develop a solid business plan. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for our digital business, outlining our strategies, tactics, and financial projections. Define our business's model, revenue streams, pricing strategy, marketing plan, operational processes, and key performance indicators, or also known as KPIs. Our business plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changing market conditions while providing a clear direction for our business's growth and success. Step number 4, build our online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting customers, building brand awareness, and driving sales for our digital business. Create a professional website that reflects our brand identity, showcase our products or services, and provides a seamless user experience. Leverage social media platforms, content marketing, search engine optimization, or also known as SEO, email marketing, and online advertising to reach and engage our target audience across multiple channels. Step number 5, develop high-quality products or services. The quality of our products or services is paramount to the success of our digital business. Focus on delivering exceptional value, solving real problems, and exceeding customer expectations. Invest in product development, design, and testing to ensure our offerings meet the highest standard of quality, functionality, and usability. Solicit feedback from our customers and iterate on our products or services based on their insights and preferences. It's important that we listen to the feedback of our customers, okay? So we can have questionnaires and surveys given to them digitally to learn more about how we can improve our products, right? What would they change in our products? Step number 6, implement effective sales and marketing strategies. To drive revenue and growth our digital business, we need to implement effective sales and marketing strategies that attract, convert, and retain customers. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan that incorporates a mix of online and offline tactics tailored to our target audience and business objectives. Experiment with different marketing channels, messaging, and promotions to identify what resonates most with our audience. Messaging and promotions to identify what resonates most with our audience and drives the best results. Step number 7, provide outstanding customer experience. Delivering an outstanding customer experience is key to building loyalty, generating repeat business, and fostering positive word of mouth referrals for our digital business. Prioritize customer satisfaction on every touch point, from the browsing and purchasing process to post-sale support and follow-up. Offer personalized recommendations, responsive customer service, hassle-free returns, and ongoing value-add initiatives to create a memorable and rewarding experience for our customers. Step number 8, analyze and optimize performance. Continuously monitor and analyze the performance of our digital business using data analytics tools and metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, CAC, customer lifetime value, CLV, and return on investment, ROI. Identify areas of improvement, optimization, and growth opportunities based on actionable insights gleaned from our analytics. Experiment with A/B testing, performance tracking, and interactive improvements to optimize our strategies and maximize our business's success. Step number 9, stay agile and adapt to change in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Agility and adaptability are essential traits for long-term success. Stay informed about emerging trends, technological advancements, and shift in consumer behavior that may impact our digital business. Embrace change, be willing to pivot our strategies and iterate on our products, services, and processes to stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in our industry. Step number 10, foster a culture of innovation and growth. Finally, cultivate a culture of innovation, creativity, and continuous learning with our digital business. Encourage collaboration, experimentation, and knowledge sharing among our team members to spark new ideas, drive innovation, and fuel growth. Invest in professional development, training programs, and mentorship opportunities to empower our employees and equip them with the skills and resources they need to thrive in a rapidly changing digital landscape. In conclusion, building a thriving digital business requires careful planning, diligent execution, and relentless dedication to excellence. By following these essential steps and embracing a mindset of innovation, agility, and customer centricity, we can position our digital business for long-term success and sustainable growth in the dynamic world of online entrepreneurship. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Let me know your feedback down below. Click the link in the description to download our ebook and have access to our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. That volume is a must-have in our business library. 49 chapters, 580 pages with financial education, and a total guide on showing us how to launch our first digital business that makes us whatever we desire to make. There's no limit when it comes to building our passive income and capital gains income using the internet. It's all about the speed. Now we can have products across the entire world where people are ready to buy those products. Billions of people looking at those ads. So start taking action, because if you're spending time on social media already, then you can actually use that time to monetize on your audience, monetize on what you're already doing, and have systems in place. Once you have those systems in place, then you can do whatever you want. So monetize your passions. We can do it. Even gamers, right? If you like to play games, start streaming. People like to watch that, and that's it. You make money with your passions, right? So create passive income, create things that, you know, you're not working for the money, you're doing what you love, and the money's coming in, money's chasing us because we have the right mindset, we have the right business structure, we have the right assets producing passive income and capital gains income, and on top we're making money with our passions because we're monetizing them through all the platforms that we have available today to actually capitalize on every opportunity that we get. So stay on your tippy toes. Remember, be present right now, because this is where we have the power. The time is now. Remember that 2 types of debt, good debt and bad debt. So we encourage everyone to learn how to manage debt, to get into good debt. We never tell anyone in our community to be debt free, because that is a recipe to become more poor, because money is created with debt. So we need to actually learn how to utilize debt, because debt is tax free. We can actually minimize taxes when we use debt to invest for passive income. And when we do that, we're building passive income too. So passive income is the income that's taxed at the lowest bracket. So when we combine debt with passive income and capital gains income, which is also taxed at a lower bracket, we can minimize taxes all the way to zero legally. We have to have the right tax strategy ahead of the year with our CPA and our business attorney. So get a team of professionals, start investing in your education, and take control of your finances by learning the information and having the tools and access to the network, so that you can begin to build your asset column with your own companies. Okay, so it's all about taking control. Leverage. Control is better than ownership. Remember, the poor people want to have ownership. The wealthy, we like to have control and leverage. So we use debt and we just control. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in other economies. Talk to you next time. Bye for now.